Hi, this is Rich Wills again, and just a quick video on this K-6 BB gun. It's quite a heavy gun. I think I got it from the local fair for about 25 quid. It was quite stiff before, but I took it apart and sprayed it with oil, and it's really smooth now. And there's a little button here, you press it and then the bottom comes out. Sorry, I'm trying to hold the camera at the same time here. That comes out the bottom there. And it takes 12 BBs. Maybe you could get 13, but I put 12. And then put that back in there. And then you pull it back to cock the gun. It's a nice gun. Alright, so we'll take a few shots. I've put a target up over there, can you see? It's about 4 meters. See what happens. Right, if I can put this to rest about here somewhere. Oh, the bike handle's in the way, but never mind. Or maybe you'll be able to see it. And then you just cock the gun like this. And that's loaded. We'll take some shots and see what happens. And there we have it. 12 shots taken with the K-6. And let's go and see. It's not a very accurate gun, but I was firing quite quick. Let's have a look. Not even close. Don't know if you can see them. If you're wondering what that was, I was using it to hold it down because it was windy. Stop it from flapping. Alright, so we got quite a few around this area here. One in the blue, nothing in the middle. And a few that veered off. But I've noticed with this gun it tends to want to fire up. The small BB tends to want to go up. But it's alright for a bit of fun. So there you have it, the K-6. Not the best of guns, but this one's metal, so it's quite heavy. It's got a nice feel to it. So anyway, that's it guys. Take care. Subscribe.